How to use artifacts in Claude AI mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use artifacts in Claude AI mobile. So here's what you need to do is you could view, interact with the built upon content that Claude generates in a dedicated side-by-side workspace. So for that, you want to make sure to use the browser version of Claude AI. So open up browser, typing cloud.ai/new. After you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So you have to enable the feature. For that, simply tap on the profile initials at the top right corner of the screen, or tap the initials at the very top left corner of the screen. Then you need to go to settings from this section, or you could just go to artifacts as well. Once you go to this artifact section, you could go ahead and start the chat and ask Claude to create something sustainable, such as build a React weather board or dashboard, or create a mermaid flowcharts of a seal process, something like that. You could also go ahead and select the create artifact button. Just follow in the on-screen prompt, and this way you should be able to use artifacts in Claude AI mobile. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.